Hello everyone. This is a brief video about some of the rectifications that we can do after the exam. So we had an exam, a quiz, and later we realize that in one particular multiple choice question or true false question or a short answer, or that means any auto evaluated kind of question, I made a mistake in giving the correct option, and quiz is taken, students are evaluated as per the wrong choice, and now what should I do? So this can be easily rectified. I am going to go to one of the quizzes. So here is one quiz, and I have conducted the quiz. Everything is done, grading is done, all done. Now I go to this student and he told me, sir, for this question the correct answer was BC 547. I also realized, right, he's right. So what should I do now? We can go to our question bank, change this question, or directly go to edit question from here only. I go to edit question, and we have to be very careful that we don't have to change these choices text. These should be untouched. So if you have written something wrong in the choice text, then we cannot change that, because that has already appeared to the student and accordingly they have made the choice. The only mistake that we can rectify here, I have taken LM35 as correct. I can say no, this is wrong, and BC547 is correct, and I give it 100%. So please remember, we should only change the grade of the choices, not the choice itself, because if we are changing the choice itself, if the student have ticked this and you change the text, that completely changes the question as well as the answer, so that does not make any sense. So remember, you should change the grade of the choice. So earlier this was 100%, this was 0, I have changed it, and I do that. I go to save changes, and once this is done, so it shows, right, this is the incorrect answer. Earlier he had ticked on LM324, so now that is a wrong thing, and it is saying the correct answer is BC547, but the marks are still 1 out of 1. So we will click on finish review, and we go back to the attempts, and here is the button called regrade. If you are sure that you have made the correction correctly, you can press this regrade. Otherwise you can also dry run. So I click on dry run and continue, and you can see for this student, earlier the marks were 7.6, now they are 7.2. And not only for this, for all the students whoever got this question, whoever had this question, this is a quiz which had a random pool of questions, and some of the questions were given to the students. So all the corrections are done. Whoever is attempting that question, the correction is done. So same thing can be done. Let me just go back and rectify this one, because this is one of the quizzes which students had already taken. Let me not confuse them. So I'll go back to edit question, and I make it again 100%, and this is none, and I save it again. I finish review, go back to my attempts, and we can click on regrade all, and we continue. So student marks are back to the original. Fine. uh, Other type of questions also, let me see if I have those in this pool. Otherwise, if you have like short answers and you have put wrong spelling of the words, you can rectify that. If you have numerical answer, correct answer was 73.2, and student is entering 73.21 or 73.1. and then you realize, oh, I should have given some error margin, you can add that error margin now. Or you realize the entry itself was incorrect, it should have been 34.2, you can change that. Embedded answers also, matching answers also, every type of auto evaluated answer, they can be corrected after the exam. Only thing, please don't change the text of choices, just change the grading. That means how much weightage each choice is having. Once you do that, after that uh, you just regrade the whole number of attempts and do it for step 9 as well as step 10. So I hope this is clear. If you have any other doubts, please feel free to ask. Thank you.